Good morning, beautiful souls. Just wanted to come in and say good morning to you and happy Friday. Yes, happy Friday. Hope that you're doing great on this morning. It's morning for me, you all. Hope you're feeling great. Rested well last night and rising with the leap in your spirit. It is Friday the 13th, and I am just thanking God for another day. Yes, I am thanking Him for another day. Yesterday, I celebrated my 57th, which was wonderful, very peaceful, very loving, and that's what I like, you all, the peace and the loving part of it. But, I just want to talk to you all this morning briefly as we go through this day, and as we actually, maybe you're all probably starting your day. If you already started your day and you're just now watching this video, let's just think about something that is very small to some people but it's big to others. Let's just go out there and give the joy as it relates to a wonderful smile to individuals. You know how you come into contact with people sometimes and you can feel that energy from some people, but sometimes people just want to come in and see a different glow of life. And if you walk into that room and sometimes if you share that smile with the person, think about what it can do. That person may not feel great that day. That person may have sort of a bad attitude that day. That person may be feeling down, depressed, but sometimes we can just walk in the room or in the presence of a person and just give a smile. Just say good morning, how you're doing, and you will be surprised at what it can do. Oh, it can do so much. So let's just think about what we can give today that does not cost a thing. A smile, right? Oh, yes, a hug, a good morning, a how you're doing, a little pat on the back. People need those simple things, right? A word of encouragement. That does not cost a thing. Let's go deep and pull that out today. Let's just share that as we go out through the day. And guess what that's going to be? Spreading cheer, spreading love. And guess what? You're going to be enhancing more during this holiday season. Peace and blessings. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Rushing around, just trying to get these Christmas gifts, and getting ready for the holiday season. And we look at this time of year as it relates to the time of giving, right? But let's think back. Do we have to always give those gifts and that stuff? Let's think about something else that we can give. What about a smile? What about a hug? What about love? What about just a conversation? Let's think about those things that we can give because so many people are lacking those things. Those are the things that can build up their self-esteem. Yes, those are the things that can build up hope, feeling hopeful. Those are the things that can help them feel more confidence and just feel great about themselves. Just think about that part of giving as it relates to this holiday season. Peace and blessings, beautiful souls.